Hi guys, welcome back to the channel for this short. I am actually about to set this fire alarm off via a thermostat. So that's a new one. I don't think I've seen anyone on YouTube do this before. I have a pulse station over here. I'm currently learning how to wire it. So I will see you in a few minutes once I finish getting this wired. Alright, I have it hooked up now, so let me just go and flip the alarm up, and then we can test this out. I also have my earmuffs on because this is pretty loud. Well, so I'm told. If it works, it will be loud. Hopefully. Alright, I'm actually pretty nervous for this, believe it or not. Alright, thermostat's on. It's kind of hard to say, but it says it's about 65, 66 degrees. There we go. So, yeah, that is a thermostat controlling a fire alarm. Yeah. Not real sure what else to say here. Now let me make sure the off switch still works. Okay. Alright, well, that's it for this one, guys. See you next time.